Hey, in this video, I will show you how to change the clock on your iPhone or iPad in iOS 17. It's actually very simple. The first thing you do is slap the like button. The second thing is you want to swipe down on your notifications bar just like so, and from here you want to hold your finger on your screen until it looks like this. From here you want to click on the bottom customize just like so, and here you're presented with two options: lock screen and home screen. You want to click on the lock screen. Here you have your date, time, some other options. I'll just click on the time, and from here you basically have your different fonts, different sizes for your fonts. Kind of like it like this, different colors. I like the one I had, and you can even choose the numbers. You can have it in Arabic, Indic, Devanagari, Khmer, and Burmese. So that's pretty cool. You can change. There's so many colors and options. If you still have any questions though, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. If you got any value from this video, hit the like button. See you next one. Bye.